that a lot of things, or most skincare products or hair care products that are available for Canadians are really not so harsh, so I may not find something that may work for my very strong coarse hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be relaxing my pretty short hair in this video. So if you want to see how I'm going to relax my short hair, keep watching and you know the drill. Don't go anywhere. So I'm going to be using the olive oil Beauty New Growth Protection No Lie Hair Relaxer. So guys, it was pretty difficult for me. I don't know why I didn't buy relaxer back home before coming, because I have heard that a lot of things, or most skincare products or hair care products that are available for Canadians are really not so harsh, so I may not find something that may work for my very strong coarse hair. So but I needed to relax my hair because I was just tired of the hair. It's getting harder and harder, and since it's winter, it's taking up a lot of moisture, from my hair. So I just decided to buy. So I just hope this one, because it says normal hair. It says normal hair. So I just hope it's going to be able to relax my hair, because I actually use ORS, olive oil, even back home in Nigeria. But I just hope this is going to work anyway. So let's relax this hair. Okay, so I got this for like $11 something. I will check. I'll check the receipt and let you guys know. So it's actually very small, because I think the one we have in Nigeria is actually bigger than this size. So the cup is small. I was even worried that I may have to get another smaller cup, because since my hair is small, I may not be able to use everything for my hair. So the activator is actually small as well. It's just very different from the one I'm used to back home. So I don't know if I should mix everything or just take it bit by bit. So it has this in it, then it has like neutralizing shampoo and a conditioner. This is like a replenishing, penetrating hair conditioner. Then it has a spatula in it. It's just regular. It has a spatula and a pair of gloves in it. Yeah, so I'm just going to be mixing this and this together. Okay, it says mix activator and base until completely smooth and without lumps. So I'm going to try to mix. This is the much it is, so it's not even so much. I'm just going to mix everything really. So I'm done mixing it, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to set this aside and get my hair ready, or prep my hair for relaxing. You all know the process. I'm going to be using small shea butter just around the edges of my hair. So after I'm done with that, I'm just going to begin to relax my hair. So I'm going to be taking the gloves, and I'm going to be wearing the gloves. So guys, I ended up using all of the activator because I just felt there was no point keeping it, really. So guys, I'm just going to leave it for a few minutes and I'll just wash it off. I don't think I want it to be fully relaxed, but at least let my hair be a bit soft. I'll see you guys when I wash off my hair and have my relaxed hair. So I already washed it off. I didn't really wait for it to relax so much because I don't think I have time to wait. So I'm going to be putting my Sunny Isle Black Jamaican Castor Oil. Just this much. And I'm going to be focused more on my edges. Before I take it all the way to my hair. Just this much. So I'm going to work it up. I'm going to be taking a tiny weeny shea butter and I'm going to be working this up as well into my hair. Just a tiny bit. And I'm going to just comb and so one of the tips you need to know is that when you're relaxing or retouching your hair, you should ensure to start from the place that is actually harder to relax. Don't start from the place that is very easy because it might not take too long a time. It will begin to hurt you. So if you start from the place that takes time to relax, before you get to the softer place, at least it would have, the time frame for both of them to get ready or to get done in quotes would actually be the same time. I hope you guys have learned one thing or two. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fab day ahead. Subscribe, like, share this button. Bye guys.